The truth about side hustles. Will it make you rich or ruin your life? Imagine this. You wake up, check your bank account, and bam! Your rent is due, your credit card bill is higher than expected, and gas prices through the roof. The stress hits instantly. You check your paycheck and it's the same amount it's been for the last 2 years. No raise, no bonus, just the same struggle month after month. Meanwhile, your salary? Stagnant. Your job? Unstable. The economy? A giant question mark. People are losing jobs left and right. One emergency, your car breaking down, a surprise medical bill, and you're drowning in debt. Everyone's talking about side hustles, extra cash, financial freedom, but is it really worth it? Or are you just signing up for another job that drains you? What if you're already struggling with work-life balance? What if this extra income comes at a cost no one talks about? Before you jump in, there are some harsh truths no one is telling you. And trust me, you need to hear this, because the difference between success and failure could be one decision away. Let's be real. Most people start a side hustle with dreams of quitting their 9-to-5. But what happens when that extra income turns into a second job with no health benefits, no job security, and no guarantee it'll even work? What happens when you realize that your side hustle isn't actually making you money? It's costing you time, energy, and sometimes even relationships. Make $10,000 a month. Yeah, but they forgot to mention the years of struggle, sleepless nights, and the mental burnout it takes to get there. They forgot to mention the hidden costs: marketing, software, courses, advertising. And what about the scams? The fake gurus who promise success but are really just making money off selling you the dream. Let's talk about the 3 things no one warns you about. Number 1, hustle culture is a trap. If you think a side hustle will instantly free you from your 9-to-5, think again. Most people get stuck in a cycle of working even harder, more hours, more stress, and still not enough money. You start with excitement, but soon you're drowning in tasks, juggling multiple responsibilities and losing sleep. Your relationships suffer, your health declines, and worst of all, you might not even see a profit for months or years. Actionable pro tip: instead of blindly following hustle culture, set clear financial goals before starting. Ask yourself, how much do I need to make this worth it? Set a timeline. If it's not profitable within that time, reconsider your approach. Number 2, not all side hustles are profitable. You see all these success stories online, but what they don't show is the months, sometimes years of making pennies. The costs, the taxes, the competition, it's brutal. Many people invest hundreds or even thousands of dollars before seeing a return. Some never do. And the market? It's unpredictable. What's hot today might be irrelevant tomorrow. If you're not passionate about what you're doing, you're more likely to quit when the results don't come fast enough. Actionable pro tip: before investing money, test your side hustle idea on a small scale. Can you make at least $100 without spending much? If not, it might not be worth pursuing. Number 3, time is your biggest investment. Time is the one thing you can never get back. Before jumping in, ask yourself, can you afford to spend nights and weekends on this? Can you handle the failures and setbacks? Because they will come. Your side hustle should serve you, not the other way around. If it takes away from your sleep, family, and health with little return, is it truly worth it? Actionable pro tip: track the hours you spend on your side hustle for a month. Calculate your earnings per hour. If it's lower than minimum wage, it might be time to pivot. Now, don't get me wrong. Side hustles can change lives, but only if you do it the right way. The key isn't just working harder, it's working smarter. The most successful side hustlers don't chase trends. They find their unique strengths, solve real problems, and build sustainable businesses that don't rely on hype. If you want real success, here's what you need to do. Pick a side hustle that fits your skills and lifestyle. Don't chase trends. Find what you can do consistently. Test it before quitting your job. Too many people go all in without a backup plan. Set boundaries. If your side hustle is making you miserable, it's not worth it. Learn from those who have actually done it, not just from people selling courses on it. At the end of the day, money matters, but so does your peace, your happiness, and your time. A side hustle should give you freedom, not trap you in another grind. If you're spending all your time chasing extra money, but you're still unhappy, what's the point? So, before you start, ask yourself, is this side hustle leading you to the life you want? Or just another hamster wheel disguised as opportunity? Are you building wealth or just building stress? Comment below, what's your take on side hustles? Have you tried one? Did it work? Let's start the conversation. Your story could help someone else make the right decision. And if you found this eye-opening, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more raw, unfiltered truth about money, business, and life. See you in the next one.